Hey guys, welcome to another Solopreneur Finance tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a campaign into Google Ads shopping. So it is going to be very simple and easy. We're going to head over google.com or business.google.com/ads, and then we're going to see here, as you can see, the platform. Or you can simply type in on Google Ads, and you're going to find the right website. After that, what we're going to do is to need at least an account within Google or Google Ads. After that, we are going to click on Start Now. After that, you're going to see the Google Ads campaigns. So this is the dashboard. As you can see, I have set up a campaign already, so it is going to be on the draft. And here we have it. Now the interface is going to be very simple and self-explanatory, since it is going to be a traditional platform. So we're going to create a campaign by clicking on create, and then we're going to set up a campaign. Click on here, and we're going to start our new campaign. So for the shopping or the shopping campaigns, it is going to be crucial to choose sales and leads, not website traffic, not app promotion, or etc. But we are going to have the sales and leads. If it is going to be or you have created a brand website or a brand into your, let's say, portfolio, something like that, it is going to be crucial to launch a campaign about the awareness and the consideration. So it is going to, let's say, gather up some people and gather up some attention and traffic about your website. But here we're going to launch directly some sales and get some of them. So either we are going to launch sales or leads. I'm going to select here sales. Now, we're going to see the conversion goals to improve our sales. We have basically two default ones. We have the purchases and we have the submit lead forms. So both of those are going to be the conversion source of the website. So we are going to have some conversion action, and also you can add an additional one or additional goal, which is going to be the engagement, and you're going to add it right there. And here you go. Click on continue, and then we're going to find all of the as you can see here, campaign types. We have search, performance max, shopping, demand gen, video, and display. Basically, we have some products, and we are going to showcase our products to shoppers. We're going to select shopping from the type of the campaigns, and here we're going to link our Google Merchant account. You need to have one, and click on add product. So once you have added the product, you're going to find them in here. So as you can see, we have I'm going to add a product source, either from a file, Google Sheet, or using APIs. And then you're going to set them just from here. After that, you're going to set up the campaign subtype, which is going to be represented from the Performance Max campaign, Standard Shopping campaign. I'm going to use the recommended one, which is going to be this one, the Performance Max campaign. And here we are going to set up the campaign name. After that, we're going to click on continue, and we're going to start a new file. So we are going to click on start new, and here we are going to set up the bidding, customer acquisition, campaign settings, and all of that in just a few minutes. So we are going to have here the bidding. So you can set up what do you focus on, either on conversions or conversions value. So I'm going to let you choose from these, but I'm going to have the conversion value or the simple conversions. So it is going to be up to you. You can here read the details, like conversions are going to be the actions on your website, app, or store that you are going to define. The conversion value is going to be as you can read, the value that you are going to associate with actions taken on your web page, app, or store. So you can set up the customer acquisition. So we are going to have here the gain for new customers. So we are going to bid higher for new customers, and etc. After that, we are going to click on next. We're going to set up the location. It is going to let you see here or choose from the locations that you want to include or exclude, or all countries and territories. Basically, we're not going to set it up as broad as this, but we are going to, let's say here, put a specific location or multiple locations that are going to be very useful for us. Like, we are going to give you an example. For example, here, since we are going to talk in English, we are going to type in England. England, like that, England. So this is it. Then we are going to type in, for example, the USA, United States country, like that. And maybe you're going to add, for example, Ireland, like that. And then you're going to set up all the English speaking, let's say here, countries, or Europe, for example. We are going to have here the Europe. So we can set up not the Europe, but all the locations that could be possible. So we can go ahead and set it up right there. Now, for the language, you're going to set up maybe multiple languages. Like, we're going to have the not all the languages, but the convenient ones. Like here, we are going to have here some English. You cannot go and set up a ad or a campaign for maybe a Chinese country, or not the Chinese, but I mean by that, a foreign languages that the minority is going to speak English. So you need to take that in mind, and you're going to take it as light as possible. So we are going to have, for example, Italian, German, French, English, and also Espanol or Spanish. So we're going to have the Spanish. So here the S for Spanish, and after that we're going to have maybe some more settings like the schedule, the start date, end date, campaign URLs, brand exclusion, and age exclusion. So after that, I'm going to click on next. We have here the asset generation. So we are going to put the final URL that you're going to head over. Also, you can add your assets. After that, you're going to set up the product or service that you're going to advertise in the campaign. Also, what makes the product unique. So you're going to have them right there. And also, it is going to be right there. So it is going to be either auto-generated or you're going to set it up like that. Now we have the assets. You can set up the asset group name, the listing assets, the brand guidelines. You're going to set up the business name, the logos, the assets themselves for the URL, the final URL. You need to set up the URL for the product, not the website. Remember that, the product, not the website. Set up the headline or 3 headlines at least for that product. Also long or 1 headline or long headline for it. Also some descriptions up to 5. You have 2 obliged one or required one, like the short description and the normal one. Remember that you can generate descriptions, headlines, long headlines, and etc. for that with the help of the Google AI. We have up to 20 images that you're going to select. It is going to crop for all of the versions that you're going to find for tablets, mobile, also desktops. Videos, if you're going to have some creatives, it is going to be very crucial to have them. Site links, like having, for example, multiple products or multiple pages that you're going to put the campaign for, and then the call to action. So basically, we're going to have only shop now because it is going to be crucial to specify that you're going to sell something, not we're going to download something or a physical product. For the signal, you can go ahead and set up the search themes. So you are going to have the audience not broad, but a little bit specified, and then you're going to click on next. After that, you're going to set up your budget, and you're going to set up the summary or see the summary of that campaign. If everything is okay, everything not needed to change something, you're going to publish it just right there. And here we have finished the Google ad, as you can see, campaign. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.